Hello friends, welcome back. Here is one more TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 preparation video, and this video will be dedicated to reasoning section, and this is just part first for reasoning section, and it is equally important. Don't focus just only on your coding. Every section has equal importance. We will discuss important reasoning topics like syllogism, coding, decoding, cause and effect. So let us start our video without wasting any time. If in a certain language, Noida is coded as OPGEB, how is Delhi coded in that language? So here are few options, but let us see the explanation for this. Each letter in the word Noida is moved one step forward to form the code OPGEB. So in Delhi, we will decode D as E, E as F, L as M, H as I as Z. Thus the code becomes EFMIZ. So here option B will be correct. However, this is very basic question, but this is for just understanding purpose. Now in this question we are given assertion and reason. Assertion is James Watt invented the steam engine, and reason is given it was invented to pump out the water from the flood mines. So in this case both A and B are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Both A and R are false. So let us see the explanation. Option A is correct. Both are true and R is the correct explanation of A, because the need of self-working engine to pump out the water from the flood mines led James Watt to invent the steam engine. So option A is correct. Here book, which should be related to book, education, picture, page, knowledge. So here pages will be your answer, because a book cannot exist without pages. So option C will be correct. If you are a fitness worker, you don't need to go to a health gym. You also don't need any fitness equipment for workout. All you need is a pair of comfortable athletic shoes. This paragraph supports which of the following statement? Fitness walking is better than weightlifting. Walking outdoors provides more health benefit than walking indoors. Fitness walking is an effective and convenient form of exercise. Poorly designed shoes can cause foot injuries. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. In this paragraph, the author is talking about the convenience of fitness walking. He is saying fitness walking is a workout that does not need any equipment and membership of a health gym. So option C is correct. Pooja is older than Mukesh. Suresh is older than Pooja. Mukesh is older than Suresh. If the first two statements are correct, the third statement is false, true or uncertain. Which can be? So let us see the explanation. From the first two statements, it is clear that Mukesh is the youngest of the three. So the third statement is false, because Mukesh is younger than Pooja. From this statement it is clear. And Suresh is older than Pooja. As Mukesh is younger than Pooja, Pooja is younger than Suresh. So Mukesh must be younger than Suresh. So Mukesh can't be older than Suresh. So it is obviously false. Option A. Now statement. A severe drought is reported in many states of the country. Course of action. The government should immediately provide financial assistance to the people of the affected state. The government should immediately send food, water, fodder to the affected state to save the people and livestock. So which option should be correct? And I hope most of you will answer it correctly. Option B will be your correct answer. In this situation, the government should think about saving the lives of the people and livestock by providing the basic amenities like food and water. Providing financial assistance will not provide immediate relief and would put an extra burden on the funds. So obviously option second or option B is correct. Now syllogism. Statements. All heroes are villains. All villains are zeros. Some heroes are jokers. So what conclusion can you make? Some jokers are heroes. Some villains are jokers. Some zeros are villains. So which of the conclusion is correct? Only first and second? First, second and third? Only first and third? Only first and second? Or none of these? So let us see the explanation for it. Since it is given all heroes are villains, so diagram of heroes will be inside diagram of villains. And it is also given all villains are zeros. So diagram of villains will be inside zeros. And it is also given that some heroes are jokers. So it will be diagram for jokers, because and in this diagram it is clear that some part of heroes are inside joker. So it will be common part. It will be common part that will contain heroes are jokers. So from the given statement and above diagram, it is clear that option B is correct. Option B is correct, that all first, second and third follows. It is clear some joker are heroes, some villains are jokers, and some heroes are villains. So first of all, let us see first conclusion. Some jokers are heroes. Here we see some jokers are heroes. So it is correct. Some villains are jokers. Some villains are jokers. It is common part. So it is also correct. Some heroes are villains. Some heroes are villains. So it is also possible. So option B is correct. All the three follows. Now next question. Here is statement is, you are hereby appointed as a software engineer with a probation period of 6 months, and your skill and performance will be reviewed at the end of probation period for confirmation. A line written in an appointment letter. Assumptions. The performance of a candidate is not known at the time of appointment. An individual is likely to prove his worth during the probation period. So which of the following follows? So only one is implicit, only second is implicit, either one or either second is implicit, neither one nor second is implicit, both first and second are implicit. Answer E. The performance of new employee is generally based over a span of time. So first is implicit. The statement also says that individuals' worth shall be reviewed during the probation period before confirmation. So second is also implicit. Statement. A large number of people in the city die every year due to polluted drinking water. Course of action. The government should take necessary arrangement to provide safe drinking water to the people of the city. The government should educate people about dangers of drinking contaminated water. So only one follows, only second follows, either one or second follows, neither one or second follows, both first and second follows. So here's the explanation. In this situation, the government should provide safe drinking water as well as spread awareness about the ill effects of drinking contaminated water. So both first and second are followed in this case. Now next question. Statement. The education minister discussed the importance of flexibility in education system and regretted that the curriculum had not been revised to match the changing needs of the student and the education system. Course of action. The education system should be made more flexible. The curriculum should be revised periodically. So only one follows, second, first or second, neither first nor second, both first or second. So here's the explanation. The situation demands that the education system should be more flexible and should be revised periodically. So option is correct. Both first and second are correct. Now next one. Which number should come next in this series? 12, 36, 109, 329. So here are few options: 990, 900, 940, 890. So let us see the explanation. So here this is the series that is followed. So this is the series that is followed here, and the next number will be 329 into 3 plus 3. So your answer will be 990 and option A will be correct. Arrange the following word in meaningful sequence: arrest, punishment, prison, crime, judgment. So here are few options that are possible order of these words. So let us see the explanation. Crime happen first, then the criminal is arrested, and then comes the judgment after that the punishment is announced and the criminal is sent to the prison. So option A will be correct. 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. Arrange the given word in meaningful sequence: selection, probation, appointment, interview, application, advertisement. So I hope this is very basic for all of you. So this is very basic question for all of you. It shows the sequence of hiring a candidate in a company, which is advertisement, application, interview, selection, appointment, probation. So option D will be correct. 6, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Arrange the given word in meaningful sequence: rain, flood, relief supplies, monsoon, rescue. And this is also very basic. Monsoon causes rain, heavy rainfall causes flood, flood affect people, so we rescue them and then provide relief supplies. So option D will be correct. 4, 1, 2, 5, 3. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I request all of you to subscribe this channel IT India, and please don't forget to share videos.